Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video to showcase a product which I discovered called Solvit, and I've used it to clean the oily residue film off my milling table. So obviously I look after the table as well as I can, and I regularly wipe it down with CRC or some equivalent product, but that tends to evaporate off and leave behind this sort of brown residue, I suppose. I don't know what else to call it, and it's just unsightly. It doesn't do any harm, but I wanted to get rid of it, and I wanted to use a cleaning method which actually was a solvent cleaner, not one that required scouring, because my table was still in pretty good shape and I didn't want to get all that scuff sort of pattern that you get if you hit it with a nylon scourer or something tougher. So yeah, you can see here that this Solvit product dissolves this stuff off really quickly, and then it's just a matter of wiping it off. This whole process took about 5 minutes, although of course you're seeing it condensed here to 60 seconds to fit in with the 60-second Sunday format. But anyway, I thought it was worth sharing.